Hey everybody, it's your girl Zena Kim.
Hi, I'm Zanisha Hawkins, and I have a question for you.
Ladies, what is the one makeup product that we cannot live without? Can you name it?
Lipstick, that's right.
You got it. Lippies. We all love Lippies in all brands, all colors. So today, me and my daughter
my mom
are going to show you some different Lippies. So stay tuned.
Where we begin.
What is the one thing that you're supposed to do before you apply a lippy? Well, many don't know that prior to putting on your lip gloss or your lipstick, you're supposed
to exfoliate your lips.
Exfoliate. Do a lip scrub. So, I'm going to show you, I have a Wet n Wild lip scrub. And the way that you do this is, you just go inside and you apply. Making your lips nice and smooth. And the good thing about it, it's edible.
And now you're ready to apply your lippies.
Mwah. Okay, so now we're going to try some different color lippies. So I have Colourpop here, and the color on this is called Notion, and this is a pretty red. So when I buy a lippy, some of the things that I think is very important is the applicator and how smooth it's going to go on for me. And then I also check for the juiciness of the actual lippy itself. So I've never bought a Colourpop product that I wasn't happy with. So this one is really nice. So let's check out this color. I like that color. And now we're going to show you another lippy.
Hey, it's me, and I'm going to be showing you my first lippy that I picked for top 3, and that is the Juvias Place Moro Metallic Lippy. This retails for $18. You can find this on juviasplace.com or in your local Ulta. It is so gorgeous. I can't say enough. You got it, Zena.
Okay, so the next lippy I'm going to talk about, and it's by MAC, and it's called the Dazzle Glass. And I love MAC products. Everything that I've tried with them, it lasts a very long time. But this is not a lipstick. It's kind of like a lip gloss. It's like a nice glaze, and it's purple. And so that's like one of my favorite colors. So let's go ahead and give this a try. But I like this because it gives you such a nice shiny lip. It's beautiful. That again is MAC, and that is Dazzle Glass. And you can buy this out of Macy's, out of the cosmetic area. So let's see another lippy. It's on you now, Zanisha.
Thanks, Mom. So the next lippy that I'm going to show is by Jeffree Star. This is in the color Prom Night. This lippy retails for $18, and you can find it at your local Ulta or at jeffreestarcosmetics.com. I personally like this lippy because it goes on as a cream and it turns to a matte. And as you can see, it is highly pigmented. They come in all different colors to match any skin tone, but for ladies who are worried about rocking a bright color, just get you a brown or burgundy liner, and trust me, you can rock this. And now, back to you, Mom.
So the last lippy that I'm going to cover is by Tarte, and it's called Lip Bling. And this is like a really pretty gold shimmer. You could probably wear this to a party or wear it wherever you want to, but this is simply gorgeous. So again, I always look at the applicator. And this one is is very nice because it looked like it goes really good into the crevices and make sure that it gives you really good coverage. So let's try it out. Look at that lippy. Oh my God, that's beautiful. But I think I would pair this with a dark brown lippy. How cute is that? I don't know. This might be my favorite.
I'm back, and now I'm here with Anastasia in the color Sad Girl. And this lipstick is a liquid lipstick that retails for $20. You can purchase this on Sephora.com, Nordstrom.com. They actually have a few of these in Ulta as well. These come in a variety of colors, ranging from nude all the way to blue. And I really love just the application, the wand, and the amount of product that you get with this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As promised, I want to let you guys know what my favorite lipstick was out of the three. And just a recap, we used Juvias Place, Jeffree Star, and Anastasia. And I have to say, hands down, Anastasia wins my vote. It is super smooth going on, easy application, and long wear.
So, I've covered 3 different lippies, and Zanisha has covered 3 different lippies. So, why don't you guys tell us which lippy did you like the best and why?
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.